Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the products that shape our beauty routines. Today, we're testing a product that promises a flawless, creaseless finish, Tarte's Creaseless Creamy Full Coverage Concealer. This concealer is designed for all skin types, offering a natural finish that blends seamlessly. With a lightweight cream formula, it's a multitasker that promises full coverage without caking. Available in various shades, today we're focusing on shade 22N Light Neutral, which is a balanced mix of warm and cool undertones. It's perfect for light skin tones with those tricky neutral undertones. Let's talk about the formula first. This concealer is packed with ingredients that focus on creating a smooth, long-lasting finish without settling into fine lines. It's also designed to be lightweight, offering maximum coverage with a single swipe. If you're familiar with Tarte, you know that their products typically come with a reputation for comfort. But how does this one actually perform in real life? I tested this concealer for a full day, applying it under my eyes as directed. Just a dot in the inner corner and a swipe upwards on the outer corner. The recommended tapping motion with a brush did make a noticeable difference, as it blended seamlessly into my skin and delivered a lifted, refreshed look. I didn't notice any creasing even as I went about my day. In fact, it had that natural finish I love. Not too matte, not too dewy, just a healthy skin-like finish. What I appreciate most is that it didn't feel heavy on my skin. The formula is creamy but light, and it didn't accentuate any fine lines or dryness, even when I set it with powder. It worked beautifully in my usual morning routine and lasted through lunch and the afternoon, maintaining its fresh look without requiring touch-ups. The biggest pro here is the full coverage. You get the coverage you need, especially around the eye area, where dark circles can be a pain to cover. However, this concealer doesn't leave that stiff, dry look some full coverage formulas give. It leaves a soft, natural finish that still feels breathable. But let's be real, no product is perfect. While it's a solid concealer, I did notice that it can be a little tricky around areas of textured skin. It works beautifully on smoother areas. But if you have any dryness or texture, you may want to ensure you're prepping the skin properly before application. It's not necessarily a deal breaker, but worth noting for those with more mature or dry skin types. In terms of value for money, Tarte's Creaseless Creamy Concealer is priced on the higher side compared to drugstore options. But considering the quality, it might be worth the investment if you're looking for a versatile, long-wearing concealer that performs well in both the short and long term. Plus, the shade range is something to admire. Whether you have warm, cool, or neutral undertones, there's something for everyone. Now, you might be wondering, how does it compare to other concealers? If you're looking for something similar but more budget-friendly, brands like Maybelline and NYX offer solid alternatives, but they typically don't have the same level of long-lasting coverage or natural finish. If you're willing to splurge a little, however, Tarte's option stands out for its blendability and all-day wear. In terms of packaging, it's sleek, compact, and easy to use. The applicator allows for precise application, and the creamy formula glides on smoothly, which is perfect for those quick morning routines. I've also heard great things about Tarte's customer service and how responsive they are if you ever have issues with the product. Thankfully, I didn't need to reach out, but it's always nice to know that the brand is there for you if you run into any questions. In conclusion, Tarte's Creaseless Creamy Full Coverage Concealer lives up to its claims. It provides great coverage, feels lightweight, and gives a natural finish that looks like skin, flawless yet breathable. The one downside is that it may not be ideal for those with dry, textured areas unless properly prepped. If you're looking for a concealer that's both reliable and easy to apply, I'd say this one's worth checking out. It performs well on a variety of skin types and tones, and it can easily become a staple in your beauty routine. If you think this review has helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you can get more honest reviews just like this one. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and remember, beauty is all about feeling good inside and out. Stay beautiful, and I'll see you in the next video.